Description: this rich, creamy formula revitalizes chemically treated, damaged hair. Shea butter delivers hydration while wheat protein helps to balance moisture and add body. Revive your hair with Platinum X Repair Treatment. Benefits: who is it for? Anyone with platinum, silver, gray or blonde hair. Suggested use: formulated with violet 2 to help neutralize unwanted yellow, boost brightness, eliminate brassiness. Top reviews from the United States. Love this treatment for my frizzy hair. Great product. I had lost my hair from alopecia and it came back gray and curly. I have never had curly hair and not this much gray. I love this product to use on my now embracing my new hair. Helps tame the frizz look and keep the curls soft.